Hey y'all, Daniel Franklin here, SouthernCharmHolsters.com. I was going to show you a little shell holder that I 3D print on my P1S here. This is how they come off the bed. This is for 500. And the first time you put them in, they're kind of tight and they sit. They get a little bit looser with wire. I start them out tight just like I did my other stuff, so that if they do loosen up a bit, they'll still be good. And you want things a little bit on the tight side because you definitely don't want them falling out. The first time in, they're tighter than they are from that point forward. But these are strong JRM clips, and I've designed this where I slide this clip in. It catches right there on that. And there's a side holder for Smith & Wesson 500. If you need one, I'll have the link in the label below and you come see me. Daniel Franklin, SouthernCharmHolsters.com. And if you wanted to pocket carry those shells organized and you want to take that clip off, you can take something and pry the end of that clip up and push it back out. But you can also just wear it on your belt, or you can even wear it IWB if you wanted to. 500. Come see me. I don't even have a 500. Somebody needs to send me a Smith & Wesson 500 so I have one. Y'all have a good day. Bye.